Guys, I'm making the poncha today.
And I'm the teacher.
They had it before and they had to say this. It's sweet, it's different, and they're tricky bastards anyway. It looks a little bit like Guinness. A little bit, if the foam would be a little bit more white.
It doesn't taste like that.
And then it tastes like...
Hi guys, I'm Patricia.
And I'm Ian. Servus.
And we are
Be With
Us.
Today we're in Câmara de Lobos again. Another time. I think we should move here.
Yep.
We're out here today with our friend Winston.
Yep.
You know, he doesn't talk much, he's shy.
Yeah.
We will replace him later with our other friend Martin, which talks more.
Yeah.
So today we show you Câmara de Lobos, a little bit walking through it from above, from inside obviously, because we have some more tasting to do. We didn't finish last time.
Yeah. Today we will also try the 3 traditional drinks from Madeira, Poncha, Nikita and pedicabra to show you. So come along and join us. have a look at the sky. Because we arrived in Câmara de Lobos. It's gray, obviously.
So follow the rain along.
Yeah. It's just because we're filming, because when we come here without filming, it's always sunny and nice. So guys, our first stop is here in today, and we will try the poncha here. The poncha we tried already here, so we'll start with the poncha here in Buckingham.
Guys, I'm making the poncha today.
And I'm the teacher.
My wristwatch is broken, my shoes are untied. Time is a-ticking, and so is the tide. But I am not worried, things are what they are. Come rain or come shine or a shooting star. I've been to the south, I've been to the north, east and the west, the middle, of course. I may have been astray, but I've never been lost, never been beat by the road.
My first poncha,
Good.
made by me.
I guess I've been lucky.
Yeah.
Okay. No. Saúde.
Delicioso. Vai trabalhar aí.
I have a job now.
Good.
I'll give her my shirt. I'm going home. Oh, yeah. Shut up.
So in Buckingham we're taking the poncha, Ian is having a pescador, and I'm having the tropical. So now we are having pedicabra. Ian will try first. Let's cheers first. Cheers. This is our friend Martin. We changed Martin for Winston. Yeah. Good. Now. What do you think?
We want an honest opinion here. Be blunt.
Can you guess what's in it?
But one glass.
Yeah, exactly.
They had it before and they had to say it. It's sweet, it's different, and they're tricky bastards anyway. It looks a little bit like Guinness. A little bit, if the foam would be a little bit more white.
Doesn't taste like
And then it tastes like, in Switzerland, your Ovomaltine or your chocolate powder. With some leftover beer from the park.
a bit of everything and
Yeah.
nothing. You can taste the chocolate for sure. The red wine.
Yeah. That wine, black beer.
Okay, the black beer for sure.
Yeah, but Koran. Koran, best beer of the island.
So guys, now we are here in the Grella's bar and we will take the Nikita. You can have the Nikita with alcohol or without alcohol, but of course we're taking with alcohol. Ian,
Hi.
Martin,
Definitely alcohol.
yeah, so 3 with alcohol.
Yeah. You can suck all you want, but
It's COVID times and I have to be through the mouth.
Now we will try Nikita for the last
For the first and most likely the last time.
for the first time we're trying Nikita. Cheers.
here's better.
Yeah. What a manly drink. Where's my umbrella?
Not bad.
Lovely.
And what's your opinion about it?
I like it. I like it.
Your opinion about it?
You want another one?
He doesn't like it. He doesn't like sweets. I like it.
Yeah.
It's ice cream and white wine and beer. What could go wrong?
It's better than the other one. I think.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, better than pedicabra. But then again, I mean, wine and beer, why not? But why ice cream?
Try something new in life. So guys, we forgot to film in there due to the curve. You say.
Yeah, she's drunk, so I'll talk, okay?
Fuck off.
The language in you, the language, and you don't
Start
shout it
again.
out. No.
Of course I will.
Guys, we're back home now. We forgot to film the end of our little Câmara de Lobos experience. Due to the curfew, 6 o'clock, everything locks down and you really have to panic and run. So that's what we did. We're home now. We saved some Poncha, pescador. So thanks for watching.
Yeah. And see you next time.
And not so much. Please
And
share our videos, give us some likes, leave some comments below.
Yeah.
Okay?
and
Até mais.
see you next time.
And guys, for you who watched our live stream, this is our second payment in bananas. And we love it.
Bananas da Madeira.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, hit the like button and the notification bell so you don't miss our next videos, and be with us.